Since you guys loved this Spiderman Squishy, here's the full step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Take double-layered tissue paper and add enough cotton to make the head. Stuff it well without leaving any empty spaces. Then secure it tightly with tape. For the body, fold another double layer of tissue paper and draw the body shape, leaving some extra space around the edges for stuffing. Stuff the body with cotton through the neck opening, apply glue around the edges, attach the front and back pieces, and leave the neck open. Draw the blue sections on the body first, then paint the body red and blue. Use a marker to draw Spider-Man's spider and web details. Paint the head red, add the eyes, and draw the web details. Finally, attach the head to the body using B7000 glue. And our Spiderman Squishy is done! It's super cute and easy to make, and you can even use it as decoration. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And we're done for today. Should I make more like this? If you liked it, show some love, like and share.